Hello everyone, welcome to Only Facts, where we chat about all things tech, the excitement of sports, and big news from around the world. Today's a special day. We're diving into OpenAI's very first Dev Day and all the amazing updates they've announced last week. Whether you're a tech lover or just curious about the latest in AI, you're in the right place. All right, now that we're all tuned in, let's shift gears to something really groundbreaking. OpenAI's first ever Dev Day brought us some updates that are not just cool, they're futuristic. Today we're unpacking these updates one by one, starting with the star of the show, the GPT-4 Turbo. Trust me, this is AI like you've never seen before. Let's kick off with the GPT-4 Turbo. Picture a super smart AI that can handle a ton of information, like reading and remembering hundreds of books at once. That's GPT-4 Turbo for you. Well, it has this thing called a 128K context window. Say, for example, that you ask AI to suggest ideas for a story and it responds, "This is a character named Paul whose brother is named Lenny." Then, as you continue to ask for more and more information about the narrative, it eventually develops a tale about Paul visiting France and engaging in all of these fascinating activities. The AI may forget the response it provided you with if you ask the AI about the name of Paul's sibling during a lengthy conversation, and the first message lands outside of the context window. In response, it can state that Paul doesn't have a brother at all or that his name is Dave. You may have far longer talks with a longer context window before the AI begins to forget stuff. In simple terms, it means GPT-4 Turbo can consider a lot more information when it responds to you. So if you're having a long conversation or you need ChatGPT to remember details from earlier, GPT-4 Turbo can handle it like a champ. Imagine a library's worth of information fitting into an AI's brain. That's GPT-4 Turbo for you, with the ability to process and remember information equivalent to over 300 pages of text at once to offer more context-rich interactions. But there's more. This AI isn't just about handling a lot of data, it's also really good at understanding complex stuff. Whether it's helping you write computer code, create detailed essays, or even come up with a piece of art and music, it does it with ease. And for those worried about cost, here's the good news. It's more affordable than its predecessors. This means more people and businesses can use this advanced AI without breaking the bank. It's a big step in making powerful AI tools accessible to everyone. Moving on to the Assistance API. This new development is essentially a toolkit for creating personalized AI applications. This one's exciting for folks who like to build things. Think of Assistance API as a toolbox for making your own AI helper. Do you know how everyone has different needs? Well, this API lets you create a digital assistant that's just right for you or your business. It's like crafting a personalized helper. Whether you need a hand in scheduling your day, handling customer queries, or even teaching something new. What makes it stand out is how it can deal with specific tasks you set for it. It's not just a one-size-fits-all solution, it's customizable. This means if you run a shop or a school, or just need help organizing your life, you can build an AI assistant that understands exactly what you need. Let's say you run a small business. You can use the Assistance API to build an AI that understands your products and services inside out, and can handle customer inquiries like a pro. Or maybe you're a teacher. How about an AI that can assist in creating educational content, or even help students with their queries? The possibilities are endless here, from automated helpers that can manage basic tasks to complex systems that can learn and adapt to your requirements. The Assistance API opens up a world of innovation. Now let's talk about multimodal capabilities. This is a fancy way of saying that ChatGPT can now understand and interact using not just text, but also images and voice. Think of it like a friend who doesn't just listen and talk, but can also see and describe pictures. With DALL-E 3, part of these new features, ChatGPT can create amazing images from just a description. Say you tell it, make a picture of a robot playing soccer on Mars, and voila, you'll get a cool image of exactly that. Another significant update is the improvement in function calling. Then there's the text-to-speech part. This means ChatGPT can now talk back to you in a natural-sounding voice.
Did you know that Alexander Graham Bell, the eminent inventor, was enchanted by the world of sounds? His ingenious mind led to the creation of the graphophone, which etched sounds onto wax, making voices whisper through time.
This is much more natural than anything else we've heard out there.
Imagine asking it to read out a story, and it does so just like a person would. These features make ChatGPT not just more fun, but also more useful. They're great for creative projects like making art or writing stories, and can also help people who have trouble reading text on screens. It's like bringing AI to life in new and exciting ways. Next up, we have improved function calling. This one's a bit techy, but super useful. In the past, if you wanted ChatGPT to do several things, you had to ask for each one separately. But now you can give it a bunch of instructions all at once and it understands them. It's like telling a smart assistant, remind me about my meeting and also turn off the lights. And it does both tasks without getting confused. This is a big deal because it saves time and makes interacting with AI much smoother. It's especially handy for businesses or apps where you need to do a lot of things quickly. Imagine a busy day where you need your AI to handle multiple tasks. Now it can, all thanks to this improved function calling. It's like having an assistant who's not only smart, but also a great multitasker. Consistency and reliability are crucial in AI interactions. With the new updates, ChatGPT offers consistent, dependable outputs. It might sound a bit technical, but it's actually pretty straightforward. This update is all about consistency. When you ask ChatGPT a question, you want to get a dependable answer, right? With this new feature, ChatGPT gives you the same high-quality response every time you ask the same question. It's like having a reliable friend who always gives you the best advice no matter how many times you ask. Whether you're debugging an application or conducting thorough testing, this feature enhances the reliability and quality of AI-powered solutions. Finally, let's not forget about the updated GPT 3.5 Turbo. This is great news for people using GPT 3.5, as it means they can do more complex tasks with it. Whether it's writing content, answering questions, or helping with everyday tasks, the updated GPT 3.5 Turbo is more capable and versatile. It's all about making the AI smarter and more useful for everyone, no matter which version they're using. This might not be the latest model like the GPT-4 Turbo, but it's still got some pretty impressive updates. The new GPT 3.5 Turbo can handle more information and follow instructions much better than before. Think of it as giving your AI a better memory and understanding of what you're asking it to do. This is great news for people using GPT 3.5 as it means they can do more complex tasks with it. Whether it's writing content, answering questions, or helping with everyday tasks, the updated GPT 3.5 Turbo is more capable and versatile. It's all about making the AI smarter and more useful for everyone, no matter which version they're using. And that's a wrap on our journey through OpenAI's latest innovations revealed at their first ever Dev Day. From the super smart GPT-4 Turbo to the customizable Assistance API, the visually and vocally talented multimodal capabilities, the efficient function calling, the reliable outputs, and the enhanced GPT 3.5 Turbo, it's clear that AI is not just a part of the future, it's shaping our present in incredible ways. That's the latest from OpenAI's ChatGPT, all here on Only Facts. We've dived into amazing AI updates today. If you found this deep dive into the world of AI as fascinating as I did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with friends and colleagues who would love to stay on top of these cutting-edge developments. Your support helps us bring more of such insightful content to you. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the wonders of technology with us.